$1 million winner beater.
That is a 15.
Took you 3 hours last time. Let's see how long it takes me. Ever seen some Japanese in a Mercedes-Benz?
Sí, correcto, sí. ¿Qué tal, Juan? ¿Cómo que lo puedo guiar?
Look at this. Ever seen some Japanese in a Mercedes-Benz? All right, so here we got a Mercedes-Benz E55 Estate, imported from Japan. Very, very clean car, only has 30,000 kilometers. We're gonna be switching up the wheels to another set of OEM style wheels. Rolls-Royce Cullinan, ladies and gentlemen, brand new black badge. Has only 500 kilometers. Brand new. Getting all four.
Pin. So basically it acts as a stud and helps guide the wheel out without hitting the rotor or the caliper. Especially these with the baby blue, we really do not want to touch at all.
Black badge, ready for the winter, ready for the snowstorms. $1 million winner beater.
Me and the boss on the car, 30 minutes max.
What's happening, guys? It's a gloomy day today, unfortunately. Midwinter, but it makes it a hell of a lot better when these things roll in. Ferrari 812 Superfast, it's gonna be rolling in. We're gonna put on the OEM wheels, refurbish these ADV1s. Check this thing out, baby.
Guinness Caribbean at Rivermead and Highway 7 in Concord. And voila. Nina's needs to open up a location in Woodbridge, a little closer to us. And if you're having jerk, you already know you can't have it without either some peanut punch or some almond magnum. If you know, you know. Clearly Frank hasn't learned ever since we had the barbecue.
Round 2. It's pretty hot. Yeah.
So, car came in at 12 o'clock. Okay, last time we had Frankie do a set of lowering links, it took him 3 hours. He said there's no shot I could do faster, cap. Anyways, this car, we're gonna bolt on another set of wheels, and in the meantime, I'm gonna do lowering links on it. I wanna say I'll be done by 1 o'clock. Took you 3 hours last time. Let's see how long it takes me.
Oh, perfect.
Remember last time you had, what's it called, Alex jacking up the car.
No,
It took you guys 3 hours to do the car? Yeah.
Truck has never been done before.
3 hours. So
The
what?
truck has never been
What
done
difference
before.
does it make whether it's
I
been
had
done
to
or done?
adjust all 4 links.
Here we are, fully done. 26 minutes from fresh.
You know, yo, like 2 months ago I sent him to the Leaf game, right? Okay. He just checked his text messages now. Me telling him, yo, I got tickets to the Leaf game for you. He's like, when's that game? I said, buddy, you already went.
Wow.
And the 4 of these gentlemen couldn't believe how spicy the wings were, and they said, Frankie just can't handle the spice. It's true, Frankie can't handle spice. Can't handle smoke, can't handle spice. Right, Frankie?
I can.
Today, the 4 of these fine gentlemen are gonna be trying the wing challenge. But no game this time, because all 4 of them are going in at the same time.
Oh my god. 2, 1.
Look at tweaking. No way, bro. Yo, what?
Look at Twinkle.
Oh, Winston. Hey, Winston, that's it, bro. Kaka, no way, bro. Ain't no way.
You guys are lightweight, bro. Stop playing with me. That's what I said. Bro,
Yo, Ravash, finish thing, dude. Ravash.
I mean, is that
Spicy, guys, it's spicy. Yo, scale of 1 to 10.
that was a 15.
We got Kaka out of the seat.
Yeah, no problem at all.
No. This is what they're supposed to do.
That's the maximum, you can see.
This is what they do. Hey, did you torque that bolt?